morning, dear students, and welcome to today's session. Today, we are going to continue with our discussion of The Merchant of Venice, Act 3, Scene 2. And today, we will be discussing from line number 219 to 252. Now, immediately before this extract, we find that Bassanio succeeded in the lottery of the casket, and Gratiano also made his request to Bassanio that his marriage also to be performed on the same day Bassanio gets married with Portia. Now, immediately after this particular part, we find three other characters coming to Belmont, and they are Lorenzo, Jessica, and Salerio. In fact, Salerio here comes as a messenger, and he was sent by Antonio to Bassanio so that he could tell Bassanio about the present situation in which Antonio was. So Antonio was in a fix, as he was dragged to the court by Shylock, and Antonio has also forfeited the bond, and now Shylock is adamant to take revenge, and he demands the bond, that is the pound of Antonio's flesh. So when Lorenzo, Jessica, and Salerio enter, Bassanio bids them welcome. He says, "Lorenzo and Salerio, welcome hither. If that the youth of my new interest here have part to bid you welcome, by your leave I bid my very friends and countrymen, sweet Portia, welcome." So he welcomes Lorenzo and Salerio to Belmont, and at the same time he says that if his newly acquired claim, what is his newly acquired claim? That is, he has succeeded in the lottery of casket, and now he has become the husband of Portia, and thereby he has become the owner of Portia's mansion, her servants, and all other possessions of Portia. So therefore, if his newly acquired claim gives him the right to bid his friends welcome, then he would like to welcome them heartily to Belmont, and he also takes Portia's permission to bid his friends and countrymen to Belmont, and Portia also extends her welcome to Lorenzo, Jessica, and Salerio into Belmont, and Lorenzo also compliments Bassanio for the welcome he had extended towards him, and at the same time he also informs Bassanio that as far as he is concerned, he never had the intention of visiting Bassanio in Belmont. And we know that after their elopement from Venice, when Lorenzo and Jessica eloped with each other from Venice, they had been traveling to different places in order to avoid the search operation that was carried out after their elopement. And it so happened that when they were traveling in a ship, they met with Salerio, who was then traveling towards Belmont. And it is in fact Salerio who insisted Lorenzo to accompany him to Belmont. And this is how Lorenzo and Jessica have come to Belmont, though they never intended to do so. So Salerio entreated them, requested them to accompany him to Belmont, and that is how they have come to Belmont. Salerio also agrees that yes, he was the one who had entreated Lorenzo and Jessica to accompany him to Belmont, and then he tells Bassanio that Antonio sends his greetings to him, and at the same time he also hands over to Bassanio a letter that was sent by Antonio. And Bassanio takes the letter from Salerio and says that before he would open the letter, he inquired of Salerio to tell him about his friend, about the well-being of his friend. So even before opening the letter, he asked Salerio to tell him about the well-being of his friend. It is then that Salerio says, "Not sick, my lord, unless it be in mind." You see, physically Antonio was not unwell. He was keeping in good health. He was not sick. When he says not sick, he is referring to the physical health of Antonio. But psychologically, he was not experiencing any peace of his mind. Not sick, my lord, unless it be in mind. Unless it is in his mind. That means what? He is not mentally well. He is going through a difficult phase in his life, and that has drained out all his mental peace. Nor well unless in mind. His letter will show you his state. And he informs Bassanio that though physically Antonio is well, but at the same time he is not mentally well, because there is some trouble in his mind. And it is the state of his life that has drained out all peace from his mind. However, he tells Bassanio that when Bassanio goes through the letter of Antonio, he would come to know about his estate. Now here estate has two probable meanings. One is he would come to know about the condition of Antonio, and secondly he would come to know about the financial status of Antonio, that how Antonio has been financially ruined. Now Bassanio opens that letter and begins to read that letter. And the moment Bassanio reads that letter, Gratiano also tells Nerissa to bid welcome to these strangers, that is Salerio, Lorenzo, and Jessica. And he inquires of Salerio about the news from Venice. And he says that he is certain, he is sure, that when Antonio would come to know about their success in Belmont, when he would come to know that Gratiano and Bassanio, they are the Jasons who have won the golden fleece, then Antonio would be very glad. Now here he makes a reference to the golden fleece. We have done it in Act 1, Scene 1, about the Colchos strand, the island of Colcho, where the ram with the golden fleece was secured, tied to an oak tree, and it was guarded by the dragons. Now Jason, along with his wife Medea, and accompanied by his followers, that is the Argonauts, he undertook a daring and a dangerous sea voyage in order to reach at Colchos, and finally, with the help of his wife Medea, he succeeded in obtaining the golden fleece. Now here golden fleece means Portia and Nerissa. So it is Bassanio who has won the hand of Portia in marriage by succeeding in the lottery of casket, and Gratiano also has succeeded in getting the love of Nerissa. So therefore he refers to themselves as Jasons, and they have won the golden fleece. And when Antonio comes to know about their success in Belmont, he would certainly be glad. However, Salerio is aware of the financial condition of Antonio, and therefore he tells that he would have wished that had Antonio won the golden fleece, that he had lost. He wishes that if Gratiano had won the fleece, that he had lost. Here when he says fleece, he makes a reference to gold, to wealth. So Antonio had suffered enough financial losses in the past, and Salerio really wishes that he would have been glad, and it would have been better if Gratiano would have won the gold or the wealth that Antonio had lost in the recent times. And in the meantime, when Bassanio goes through the content of the letter, the color of his face changes because the letter contained some unpleasant words. And Portia is able to notice the sudden change in the mood of Bassanio. So the happy atmosphere in Belmont, which was created after the success of Bassanio in the lottery of casket, that is abruptly disturbed, and that suddenly changes into a sad and a gloomy mood the moment Bassanio reads that letter or goes through the content of that letter. And Portia here says that she is certain that the letter contains some shrewd contents. Some shrewd contents means the letter contains some unpleasant words. And it is for that reason that the color of Bassanio's cheek is taken away. That means what? Bassanio now becomes all of a sudden very sad. And looking at the expression on Bassanio's face, Portia could very well make out that maybe the letter contains the news of somebody's death. Maybe some dear friend is dead, or else there is nothing else in this world that could so suddenly change the complexion of a normal man. It is only the news of death that could so suddenly change the complexion of a normal man, like that of Bassanio. And as Bassanio continues to read the letter, his expression grows worse and worse, and which makes Portia interrupt, and she tells Bassanio, with leave Bassanio, she tells Bassanio that now she is the wife of Bassanio. So therefore she is half of Bassanio, and that gives her the right to freely share everything with Bassanio. So since she is the wife of Bassanio, she must freely have the half of anything that Bassanio has. So therefore she expresses the desire to share with Bassanio the sadness that the letter brings to him. So we'll continue with this. Thank you and stay blessed.